Hello everyone! Today I will show how to record your voice on Windows 10. There are two ways to record your voice using the pre-installed application, and the second one is using the Audacity. Audacity is a free and open source audio recorder. Hello! Now we will start our tutorial how to record your voice on Windows 10. First, just go to the search box and type the word voice recorder. Then this is the pre-installed application on Windows 10. So to record, just click this or Ctrl R. So I will try to record. Hello everyone, it's just a sample of my voice recorder here on my laptop. So I will try to play. Hello everyone, it's just a sample of my voice recorder here on my laptop. Okay, then you can share your file. You can trim, you can delete, you can rename, and you can locate the file location. Okay, this is the file location of my recording. User folder, then documents, then sound recordings. Next, we will try to trim the file. So just click trim. Then try to play. Hello everyone, it's just a sample of my voice recorder here on my laptop. Okay, after trimming, you can save or you can cancel. We'll try to cancel. Okay, that's the voice recorder here on the Windows 10, the pre-installed application. Next, the second one is we will try to install the Audacity, then we will try to use it. So just go to the website audacitytem.org. So you can download the file. Just choose the version if you are using Windows, Mac, and Linux. So for Windows, just click Windows. So here you can download the file. Audacity 2.4.2 installer. It includes the user manual, and the second one is the smaller download without the user manual. So we will try the zip file. Okay, this one, Audacity Windows zip, then save. So after downloading, you can install the file, and I already have here on my laptop. So this is the Audacity application. So I will just explain the basic function of this application. So here, this is the recording channel. You can choose either one recording or two recording channels. This is the microphone. So I'm using the USB type audio device. This is the play button to record. Just click this record, and then you can stop Next, here you can click the start monitoring before starting to record. You can adjust the playback. So now we will try to record. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Okay, we will try to play. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Okay, then you can delete here. You can close, and you can also apply the effect. Here, there's different types of effect. Before, you are going to select the file. Okay, we will try to fade in or fade out. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone. Welcome. Fade out. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. You can also try to put echo. Try to preview the file. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Okay. Next, here in the file, you can export to Mp3, Wav, or OGG or audio file. Then we will try to record the 2 recording channels. Okay, I will delete, then we'll try to record. Choose these 2 recording channels and try to record here. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Okay. Next, we will play. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Okay. So this is the 2 recording channels. This one and this one. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, and click subscribe for more videos.